The reason I just start with the vaccines is because I want people to understand that experience management means, well, trying to figure out what people want. It's a catch-all title. But in this particular case, which is gripping the country, you guys really are the only single source of truth about what to do. And what is that single source, and how do you get it, Ryan?
Yeah, so first, thanks to our incredible team and our customer base. Man, if you go back 20 years when we started this company out of nothing, it would have been a dream to be in the experience world and to be at the forefront of such an exciting time where experience is truly becoming the currency, Jim. It's the currency of business. And everyone's starting to realize that. There's not a CEO that I don't talk to, from George from CrowdStrike to Tim Cook, where everyone's going into this new world where they're saying, first of all, it was a lot easier to send people home than to bring them back to work. And there's a premium on getting it right. So what we're seeing is organizations mess up in a couple different ways. To start there, is they're trying to guess where people are at in the journey on wanting to come back, where they are in their vaccine decision making. And reality is that guesswork doesn't need to exist. You can actually use Qualtrics, you can measure, you can gauge the experience, and then understand as a leader or leadership teams how to actually bring people back based on the information you have and predict what's going to happen when you do that. Because getting people back into the building or developing your new future of work, whatever that is just the first step. Most of the time in product and innovation, people get it wrong. So it's really important that we're measuring and we're understanding the impact of the decisions we make and pulling people back into this new future, because there's not a company that's been through this before. So the data doesn't exist. I've always said that if the data exists, you Google it. If it doesn't exist, you got to Qualtrics it.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.